How to block someone on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on X. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the X app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just search for that particular person that you want to block on the X app. So for that, you can just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type in that person, username, and search for it. And now here, once you've found that particular username, you can just tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the profile, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the drop down menu, there you'll see the option labeled as block. So just select that option. And here, confirm your action by tapping on the block option in the pop-up menu. Now here, once you do that, that particular person will be blocked on X. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.